Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject EVS, chapter number 15. Chapter name Fuel for Travel. Topic Problems of Fossil Fuels. Petrol and diesel produce a lot of pollution. All of you know that we are using the petrol and diesel in our vehicles. Both are definitely giving a lot of energy to run of our vehicle. But with it is also producing the pollution. Too much pollution is being because of the diesel and petrol. The process of excavating, transporting and refining fuel is a very costly one. The excavating and transporting and also the refining. When we take the oil from the earth's below to the upside, when we dug the oil well, that is the excavating, from which we take the oil from the inside of earth to the outside. Transporting, we are taking the crude oil from the oil well to the refineries, that is the transporting. And the refining, when we refine the fuels inside the factories or the refineries and making it useful, that is the whole works are very costly. Too much money is being expended in these type of workings. Most countries purchase the oil from oil-rich countries. Since it is very costly, therefore most countries are purchasing the oil, these fuels from the other countries where the oil is too much present in the maximum amount. Fossil fuels are non-renewable. Fossil fuels are non-renewable. All of you know that it takes a very long time to be regenerated. So it is in the category of the non-renewable. We are using these fuels at a very fast rate and soon these resources will be depleted. At present, we are using these fuels in a very fast rate. All of you know that day by day population is being increasing, day by day number of vehicles is also being increased. So we are using it in a very fast rate. At the rate it is being regenerated, we are using it more than. So definitely in the future it will be depleted. It will be reached very large. So we cannot use it more and more. Very soon it will become in a very low amount. One way of reducing our dependence on fossil fuels is to walk or cycle when we have to travel shorter distances. Students, if we have the problem, definitely we have to think about the solution. And it is the one solution by which we can reduce the using of the fossil fuels. We can walk or cycle when we have to travel for shorter distances. At the earlier time, the maximum people has the cycle, which they used to get the shorter distance, and even they like to walk. But at present time, everybody is using the vehicles runs with the fuels for just to save the time. But it is also important to think about the sources that are present on the earth. So we should walk and cycle for the short distance so we can do the less consume of the fossil fuels. When we have to go far off, we can use a carpool. If we have to go a long distance, we have to travel for a long distance, we can use a carpool in which the many people can travel. Some other non-renewable resources. Lastly, we talk about the fossil fuels. Now we will talk about the few other non-renewable resources. Forests. Forests are very valuable natural resources. All of you know that forests are very useful for us. So it is also very valuable natural resources. They provide us with fruits, medicines, firewood and timber. Actually, forests provide us lot of things that are being useful for us. Many of them, we get the fruits, medicines, firewood, the wood which can use to make the fire, and the timber, that is the wood which is being to make the different type of things. Some trees are used for making paper. Few trees that are being used to make the paper that we are using. They also provide shelter to wild animals. Since it is the forest, definitely lot of biodiversity is present there and it is giving the shelter to the wild animals. Forests keep the air clean. Forest is keeping the air also clean. It is purifying the air. So lot of what that is the forest are doing that are very useful for us, and they are also the non-renewable resources. So these are the points which we talked today. I will meet you with the next class with the next topic.